This is a walk around of the 1978 Ford Ranger XLT long wheelbase truck. I'll start with the front. One of the things that many experts have told me about this truck is they're surprised at the number of original parts that are with the truck that have not been altered in any way. Taking a good look at the hood, there are a few pock marks on there where gravel has hit the paint, but it's solid. No appearance of Bondo there. Same on the side. Doors are in solid condition. There's some surface rust here. Could go through, but it's not rotten. Doors open to close great. No problem with the windows. And down the side, things seem solid. Here's a spot here with some rust. It is rusted through, but again, doesn't really seem rotten. Now for the tailgate, I've had a couple of people comment on the tailgate talking about how it has comparatively very little rust. There are some rusty spots around the edge here, but nothing seems rotten. And then there's the bed. The bed is solid. Haven't seen any kind of rotten places there. Tailgate closes easily. Just as the other back quarter panel, there's a little bit of rust here. It doesn't seem to be rotten. Just a little bit of rust around the cab here. This could, the doors probably need new seals. I haven't noticed any major leaking or anything when I've washed it or when it's been raining. Everything seems solid. Oh, the hubcaps are original. The tires are brand new. They probably have about 20 miles on them. This door functions fine. Window rolls up and down, no problem. As far as the interior, floorboards look good. No apparent rust. Seats pop up, no problem. All of the interior appears to be original. There is a little crack on the dash here, but the rest of it seems to be well intact. The radio is missing, but I did test the heat and the fan seems to be working fine. It's middle of summer, so I'm assuming the heat's working okay. All the instruments work perfectly well. I've tested all of them, even the lights, the back lights work fine. All the lights on the truck on the exterior work. You know, the high and low beam is fine. And here's the driver's side door.